Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Atlas. I got it in the color 3DR4/Chestnut Ombre. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. I didn't pluck it at all. The only thing that I've done to this unit was add my lace tint to the lace. First thing you want to do is push the baby hairs that came with the unit back, all the way back. Then you want to go in and cut the lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately. To lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Kiss Lace Bond hairspray. Now I'm using my blow dryer on a cool heat setting to make sure that the spray is nice and tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. Apply those same steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Then you want to go in with that same spray and apply it directly on top of the lace for a better hold. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm blow drying on top of this elastic band to get a more melted lace type of look. When I cut my lace, I like to cut my lace in sections because it really helps me to focus on the details while I'm cutting. I also like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion because it gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting my lace straight across. Now I'm going in with alcohol to clean off the hairline area from any excess glue that was left over. Now I'm going back in with the Kiss Lace Bond spray to relay the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. For a more melted look, I'm going back in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to go over the top of this wig and flatten it down. I love doing this step before going in with my hot comb because I've honestly seen a big difference when I would go in with my blow dryer first and then my hot comb. It just makes the process so much easier. Now I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting. For my edges, I like to go for more of a natural look, so I'm only going to pull out a thin layer of hair. Sometimes the dried up glue can leave a white cast on your hairline, so if that is the case, just go in with some alcohol and wipe the hairline area. I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck my edges, and I like to do this so that they can look natural. I feel like the more thinner the baby hairs look, the more natural they look. I'm using my edge flat iron to curl the baby hairs downwards, and this will help the baby hairs get more of like that fluffy baby hair type of look. To style my baby hairs today, I'm going in with the Got2 Be High Insta Hold Spray. Also, if you're in the process of styling your baby hairs and the baby hairs are not sticking down, you can always go in with a blow dryer. Now it's time to brush our curls out and detangle the hair. And when it comes to a synthetic wig, I like to brush from the bottom and then work my way up to the top to prevent any knots and tangles. When it comes to detangling my synthetic wigs, I always use a vent brush, which is a brush with like the holes on the back of them, because I just find it easier to detangle with that brush, and also it doesn't create as much frizz as a paddle brush would. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Here is the final look of this wig. I am like lost for words how nice this unit came out, honestly. I was so excited to try this unit because of the color. I've never tried the color like this before, but I'm so glad that I chose this color because the colorway is just everything. In person, the hair was just a little bit more shinier than what you can see on camera, so I would suggest going in with a dry shampoo to take out that shine. But do y'all see how nice this unit is? The curls are perfect. The color on this unit is perfect. Even the hairline, the deep parting space, everything about this unit is definitely a 10. This unit is versatile. You can add multiple styles to it, which I included in this video, so just continue to watch to see how I styled it. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed the styles as well. And stay tuned for my next video.